It's time to craft. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I have only one DIY for you tonight, and what you see me doing is taking one of these wood pieces from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to apply the burnt umber paint by the apple barrel to both the front and back side of this board. So guys, I want to welcome everyone back to the channel, my new and returning subscribers. I know that it's been a minute, but Joy has been working long hours. So today or tonight was the first opportunity I had to really upload anything to the channel. And so I plan on, just so you'll know, bringing you a DIY between now and the end of this week, just for your viewing pleasure. So stay tuned for that. But tonight, we're just going to get into this one, and I hope you guys like it as much as I enjoy putting it together. So again, I just applied some of that burnt umber paint to this board using a baby wipe to make it look like a stain. So then I ended up taking some of these cute little baggies, these stocking bags that you can find at Dollar General. They came 2 in a pack. I got these for only $1. I thought these was very, very cute. So I wanted to go along or play along with the theme. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care in hopes that St. Nicholas will soon be there. And as you can see, I am just gluing down the top portion of the stocking to the board. And then what you will see me do is basically add some beautiful florals that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. These are those picks that you can find in the pack. But before I do that, I am going to apply a hanger to this piece. Now, if you choose not to do this, this is strictly optional, but I wanted this to be a hanging piece. And so I have some of that jute rope that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And of course, if you are a regular on my channel, you know that I burned the frays off of my jute rope to give it a more cleaner look. And once I applied it, I am now taking some little strips of burlap and just applying it over the loose edge of the rope so that it gives it more of a professional or clean look on the back side. Again, guys, I want to welcome everyone back to the channel, and I pray that you all are having or had a great week thus far. And also, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. So as stated, I have these little picks that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to apply at least 2 picks in each one of these stockings. Now these bags are so cute. So if you go to Dollar General, I'm sure if they haven't been sold out, you will be able to find these. Now these were not located with the Christmas stuff. They was on a side aisle, as with most of these Dollar Tree stores or Dollar General stores. They just put stuff where they can. And now, of course, you know, I am going to make sure that each one of these stockings have at least 2 picks in them. The one pick I had used a couple of them out of it, so I think 6 come in these packs, and so I had to open up a new pack. But nevertheless, I think this is going to turn out cute, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. And so now I am getting ready to make some bows. As you know, if again you are a regular on my channel, you do know that I enjoy using half beads, jute rope, and making bows. And so I am making a jute twine bow out of some of the extra twine that was left from another project. And of course, I am going to burn the frays off of them. So guys, have you finished shopping for Christmas? I can promise you that I have not. I've only purchased one gift so far. And I know Christmas is next week, but again, I've had a busy, these last 2 weeks, I must say, have been very busy. And I just have not been able to get to the stores to do any shopping for real. But I plan on doing it this weekend. Good thing about it, my kids are grown, so they'll get money, and my grandchildren that are here will be here on Friday from Texas are small enough so I can run to the store, pick them up something, and they'll be fine. But other than that, guys, I just have not been able to get anything done this Christmas season. But that's okay. I still love Christmas. My birthday is coming up really soon, so I am just praying to God if that is His will for me to be able to see my birthday and just be able to share that with you all. But I'm here for it. Anyway, guys, again, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. And again, I did apply this jute rope to each one of these stockings. I think this really made the plain looking stocking look very cute. Again, adding the bows to the fronts of the stockings is totally optional. If you prefer not to have the bows there, that's fine. So guys, we're headed into the reveal. Look how cute these turned out. I think this is so adorable. You guys got to let me know what you think about this stocking in the comment section of this video. Again, I think these turned out very cute. And guys, I just want to again welcome everyone back to the channel, and I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you have yet to do so. And also, I want to wish each and every one of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Be blessed, guys. Bye-bye.